Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to play games with ChatGPT. Just tap on my ChatGPT on my phone and make sure you will have to sign in and how to play games with ChatGPT. So I will just write play with me tic tac toy game. I just tap on it and send it to ChatGPT. So sure, let's play tic tac toe. Here's the board. So here you will see, so it will say you are X and I'll be O. Pick a number to place your X, your move. So I will just choose the number of 1 and let's see what is the answer. So get shows here is the updated board. So I'm the X and I choose the number 1 and the chat GPT is O. You will see. So now I will again just uh, I will just I just tap on 9 button and nice move. Here is the updated board you will see. So I'm X and the chat GPT is O. So this is how you can just play the game on this chat GPT. It's very grateful and I very enjoy it. Thank you. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, then get notified for more videos.